ANS Fish Camp. PI. To the people, boy.
Made it, baby.
Yes. MotoMigos, we out here.
What it do, y'all boys? Out here, vlog day 1, Cafe 27 meetup. About to go on an ill ride. I want to welcome y'all to MotoMigos, man. This is some vibes right here. We just, couple homies, have dope bikes, dope rides, and we just want to, document some of this. So we about to take a ride today, about 100 miles up to Lake Okeechobee on the whips, waiting for my boy KC, and then we're meeting up my boy AO up there. So let's get it done.
Alright, this is my baby, 2022 Lowrider ST. Got some mods that I've done to it, some mods that are coming. I'll do some vids on the mods, like my cams that are coming soon. Y'all about to see that. Baby say right though. Yes, sir. My boy KC just pulled up, got some gas. I'll make a video one day about cafe, Thursday bike night, Sunday be popping. Gee, that thing look hard, kid.
Yeah, that carbon's hitting in the sun, huh?
Yes, sir, that fucking carbon's hitting, and so is the freaking, look at these babies. Fire. What year is your ST, Casey? 23 and a 22, boys. That thing is clean. We getting ready to go to Okeechobee. Meet up our boy AO. KC saying something to the people, boy. Let go.
What's up, man?
One day we'll do some bike checks to tell y'all all the mods. His voice is fucking modded as hell. He's got carbon fiber. He's got HPI. My baby's more stockish, but getting more work done. Let's go. AO, see you in a little bit, kid.
Biggest mama mia, the unladylike diva, never go man either, believer or fear, and get that ass back. And if you're guaranteed you'll get
ain't a bitch thriller, so you ain't gotta question why I push it don't feel you. Knock it the fuck off.
baby.
Yes, sir.
J&S Fish Camp.
Yes, sir. We out here. ST boys. Great ride by Lake Okeechobee. My boy also has.
How was the ride?
Hey, yo, what's your year, ST?
24.
He's got a 24. We got a 22, 23, and now a 24. Boy got super thrashing boy. Super thrashing boy. Super thrashing. Looking clean. Just blacked out the wheels on this thing. Thing looks
There's
fire.
another one over there, different color though.
I see it. How was the ride up here,
It
dog?
was dope, dog.
Fire? Yeah.
It was dope. I met in like 2 hours flat. 2
Yeah?
hours flat, yeah.
Fire. He's got the
2 hours,
angry orchid
2
on
hours
deck
flat. Let's
already.
go.
Grab one. Me and Casey did a nice little ride.
How long was it for you, Casey? Like an hour and 10 minutes. Yeah, that's
So
not bad at all.
good. Y'all know what time it is.
Let's go.
Jane Fish Camp. Yes, sir.
It's hot. I don't see the headlight pokes out, dog. Yeah, that's
I know. Yeah. That's just
You
how
got
it
the
is.
TBR, boy.
Bit of it was dope. We went through Lake Okeechobee.
Fire.
Yes, sir. We out here.
Let's go,
Me and my boy.
boys.
MotoMigos, we out
Let's
here,
go.
kid. Ayo, aka
Let's
Mike Baby,
go.
aka Adrian, aka the mayor.
Curly, dog.
Everybody at Cafe was asking for you when we were there. Yeah, I didn't record inside, but
Was
I
Betty
should.
there?
No. Jazz was and Steph was, and she was asking for
Damn.
me. Yeah,
Let's go.
yeah.
Let's bring it outside too.
That's pretty dope.
Did that by one of 2 bucks?
Damn, how did Casey already get a beer, bro?
Cheers.
That's pretty dope. Cheers, bro. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
let's
We
go.
out here. Cheers, Casey. That boy Casey was taking a nap in his motorcycle.
Hey, guy here, he looks like he's still sleeping, dog.
I'm always dense.
I went to
Hey, boy.
called me. I won
Niccolo on deck.
dream at that time, dog.
Let me text my
Yeah,
girlfriend. I make sure I got her safe.
Yeah.
I see y'all. So we're waiting on this storm to pass because we convinced my boy to come back
Let's
home.
go. We going
to
back down south, baby.
Cafe.
Fuck it.
no, we're stuck. We can't
Fuck it.
You
Fuck
can't
it.
go anywhere, so you gotta wait. Little lake houses for Lake Okeechobee. We out here. J&S Fish Camps. We're out here by Lake Okeechobee. MotoMigos. Over here, though, the Migos are chilling. We're actually gonna kidnap my boy here and take him back down to the crib, Broward County Cafe. So we'll see y'all in a little bit when we do that ride, all right? Hey, we jamming out here. We're here at J&S Fish Camp. Big bike life out here. Lake Okeechobee. Yes, sir. Clean, clean bike. Now it's time to grub at J&S. Fire truck on deck. Our boy Ayo, we kidnapped him. He's coming back home with us. We kidnapped him. He FaceTimed this girl, put her on the spot. She had to say, yes, you can go back to Broward County where he was born and raised. P Pines kid. We out of cafe. Let's see how
Yes, sir.
Poppy's
How we doing,
chow
brother?
wagon is, man.
Good living. That's it. What you got?
All right, let's see. From Poppy Chow's wagon, we got the smash burger. If I can fucking open it, God, there it is. Oh, that shit look gas with the fried eggs.
I got the single.
Boy, got the
sauteed
single.
onions.
Let go. We hungry. Meanwhile, KC can't even
Still
fucking-
dead.
Boys,
Cheers, dog.
to KC's death and Adrian's resurrection. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Something's happening here. Yeah. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there.
gas stop before we head to cafe with the boys. Got caught with some rain.
That's
A little ugly out here with my boy. Hey, yo, co-founder
Going back home,
of
boys.
MotoMigos right here, man. This
I'm
boy,
one.
listen, known this boys, we were teenagers, bought our
Oh,
first
dog.
bikes together
20 years ago.
20 years ago. Now we're about almost 40, dog. We're in our 30s, some old
No more
suckers.
Sportsters.
We got some hard bikes. We just kidnapped this boy, heading him back from
Fuck it.
Sarasota to...
I have no clothes to change into. No shoes.
No
Fuck
shoes.
it.
He's so shoes.
So,
Hey, but we out here, bro.
out.
What a
Beautiful
ride,
ride.
kid. What a
Beautiful
ride.
ride,
What
boy.
a ride. Oh, we made it back. A little wet.
let's
A
go.
little wet.
Official announcement.
A little wet.
We'll be doing this every year.
Every
for
year.
his birthday.
Let's
Mick's
go.
birthday ride. We'll be getting soaked because in the middle of the summer.
He's out here,
This
boys.
boy's back in
Little
his
300-mile
The
ride.
mayor's back.
Let's go,
The
baby.
mayor's back. Hey, good ride. A little bit left. We be out. All right, boys. We made it home. First vlog. You know what I'm saying? MotoMigos. We had a great ride with the homies. You see our beautiful bike. Made it nice and safe through this ugly rain. Got my boy AO down here. KC came through today. What a great ride. About 200 plus miles. You know what I'm saying? My first vlog. I hope, you guys enjoyed it. We're going to keep bringing some fire videos. Next one might be my cam video. Might be getting cams done. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for tuning in. MotoMigos out. Miguel out. Laters.